Right, you're right, guys and girls. So I'm just doing a little bit of the lawn mowing at the moment while we are doing this. So if I just click this, yeah, just click that in, and then lift that up. Alright, so basically I'm using the Ozito. So I actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different settings on it, as you can see there, so you can make them higher. Obviously the grass is still a bit wet at the moment, as you can see, due to the weather we've been having in the southwest of England. But today it is the 1st of April today, so it's April Fool's Day. For people who are doing it in the morning, so if you're doing it after 7 o'clock in the night time, it was 7:12 here in the night time Monday. Just trying to clean some of the back front garden up and all that, and also just trying to cut it all down because it's a lot of the grass is quite high up at the moment, so I've just put it onto the 5th times. Hello, yeah, you're right, bud. Anyway, so yeah, just cleaning up some of the garden at the moment, making it nice and better and all stuff for the front. Then I'll make a start on the back as well sometime this week. But yeah, it's all been a little bit soaking wet at the moment due to the weather we've been having in England and all that. It's absolutely terrible down here. Anyway, so yeah, this is the lawnmower I bought last year. Just opened up the box and stuff just to set it all up. It's Ozito, it's an Australian brand. This is when they had the Bunnings before it got closed and then it had to be refurbished back to home base again. So yeah, this cost 79 quid when I got it, so that's not too bad. Anyway, guys and girls, cheers for watching, stay safe all, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm probably going to put some green stuff on it to make it greener, to give it some colour when I get some next week, or this week's sun colour. Just give it some more proper green coloured and all that, give it some life into the grass. Anyway, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next episode, guys and girls.